my god! Urgently make it louder. It's just crazy. I get goosebumps from the very first second. That sound. The clean, furious, unrefined roar of an atmospheric V12 Lamborghini. Starting at 0-2, when is the first black Aventador, SVJ, with those gold discs? Taking off is just music to the ears of a fan. No turbo whistling, no hydrant silence, just pure, mechanical rage, skyrocketing in speed. And these shooting out on the throttle and switching is just an orgasm for ears. Violent, loud, uncompromising clapping.
The girl them skill on shit. Thunderball, some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to our girls. 5 billion and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls.
It's a reminder of what feels loud, defiant, breathtaking.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
You're my eye, who will win and why? I'm alive, just do one to revive. Keep that vibe.
Mete o bagulho, tem que ser assim. Mete o bagulho, 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 mete o bagulho.